Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit One's travel benefits. Let's get straight into it because it's going to be a really quick video. Let's not waste any more time. The first step is to review the travel benefits terms and conditions. So you got to make sure you read through that carefully and understand all of that. And you need to understand the types of travel benefits that are available. You got trip cancellation, insurances and whatnot. So just go ahead and take your time to understand the types of travel benefits that are available. And once you're done, just review the travel benefits eligibility requirements to make sure that you meet those requirements. And then you can understand the travel benefits claim process. So once you're done understanding that, just make sure you review it to make sure that your understanding is accurate with its benefit exclusions as well as limitations. So you got to make sure that you have all of that down. And you can also consider using the Credit One travel benefits. So after understanding everything that's involved with it and everything you need to know, you can just go ahead and use those benefits. And you can contact Credit One's customer support to request travel benefit assistance. So if you ever run into any snag, you can just contact Credit One's customer support and they're going to help you to sort that out. So make sure you review and understand the travel benefit program's details well enough before you go ahead and apply for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit One's travel benefits. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.